Alright, today I'm going to be working on him and getting his hair detailed a little bit more. I'm liking how he looks right now. I'm going to take him away from the horse right now and set him over here on my little turntable that I've got right here and get to work on him. Be right back. I gotta get this guy up, get him on the turntable, and get him mounted. There's still some rough areas on a face, and over time I've gotten damage done to it, so I just gotta adjust that a little bit. Problem with clay that never hardens is that it never hardens. It's hard to put love into an eye, the look of love. All I can do is try. He's emotional, and he's a man that never gets emotional. You can't and live in the mountains. You can't be emotional about anything, because to survive you have to control your emotions. But he's got emotions for this woman and for their child, and that's what I'm trying to capture in the eyes of this mountain man, something that he's not used to showing. It ain't easy. And I'm working around his hands, which is also not a good thing, because if I hit his hand, it can destroy what I worked on. I think you can see the kind of texture I'm trying to get in his beard. I don't want to show every hair, but I want to show character. The reason I'm spending so much time on the hair and the beard is because it's the character of the mountain man I'm trying to build, and that beard is going to be a character point. Which requires my attention. It takes resting your hand on something while you're doing this, and I don't have a lot I can rest my hand on except something I've just sculpted. So I'm trying to do this with as little damage to my sculpture as I can. I'm still basically trying to design his hair. Okay, that's going to have to do it for today. I didn't know I was going to spend this much time on that hair, but hair is important to the total design of the thing. That's why they pay big bucks to people to come into movie studios to do the hair of their actors and actresses, because it has a lot to do with the story. Hair is important. Alright, the last thing I'm going to do is go over it with the Roncinol to get all the little nodules of clay out of the way and smooth it out a little bit. Alright, I'm done with him for now. When I get ready to take it to the foundry, I'll rework those fringe areas on his shoulder where I pretty well damaged it. The hair is where I want it. Looks good from all angles. He looks good from all angles. Now it's time to work on the horse. Put the mane on the horse, get the base of the horse done, and start working on finalizing this piece to a point where people can see what it's going to look like in bronze. Of course, it won't have the color of the bronze. That's something that will have to be decided upon once I get done. She's got some fringe to be put on her dress down the seam of her dress. That's going to be easy to do on this subject. But right now, he's going to be where he's going to be, and I've got to do the sculpture in a way that I can take him off, have him cast separate from all of this. All right. I'll see you guys Wednesday. That's the plan right now. Tomorrow I've got a doctor's appointment at the VA. I think I've accomplished what I wanted to as far as the story goes, having an interaction with the two of them and the baby for that matter. The baby's face needs working on, and I will be working on that. But for now, I think this is going to be good. It's going to be a good subject. All right, everybody. Good night. I'll see you next time. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. It really would help me. Also, check out the link below this video. It will take you to a review of my 9 instructional videos that could be very helpful to you if you're thinking of sculpting. Good night, everybody.